Hello, everyone, and welcome to Speak Slow English. My name is Mitchell, and I'm very happy you are here today. On this channel, we speak slowly, clearly, and calmly to help you improve your English step by step. Let me start with a question. Have you ever listened to English and thought, yes, I understand this, but when it is time to speak, your mind goes empty? You know the words, you understand the meaning, but your mouth does not move. If this sounds like you, stay with me, because today's topic is very important. Why do you understand English but cannot speak it? And more importantly, what can you do about it? Many learners think this problem means they are bad at English. That is not true. In fact, this problem is very normal. It happens to millions of English learners around the world. Understanding and speaking are two different skills. Understanding is a passive skill. Speaking is an active skill. Your brain learns them in different ways. When you listen or read, your brain has time. It can relax. It can guess meaning from context. It can ignore small mistakes. But when you speak, your brain feels pressure. You must choose the right word. You must choose the right grammar. You must pronounce the word clearly. And you must do it quickly. This is why many learners freeze. They understand, but they cannot speak. One big reason is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of sounding stupid, fear of being judged. Let me tell you something important. Making mistakes is not a problem. Making mistakes is learning. Children learn language by making thousands of mistakes. They speak before they are correct. They speak before they are perfect, and slowly, naturally, they improve. But as adults, we want to be perfect. We want to sound correct, so we stay silent. Silence feels safe, but silence stops progress. Another reason you cannot speak is lack of speaking practice. Many learners listen a lot. They watch videos. They listen to podcasts. They understand very well, but they do not speak out loud. Your brain understands English, but your mouth is not trained. Speaking is physical. Your tongue, lips, and mouth need practice. If you never speak, your mouth feels tired. Your pronunciation feels strange, so your brain says, "Stop." This is why understanding does not automatically become speaking. Another reason is translating in your head. Many learners hear a question in English. Then they translate it into their language. Then they think of the answer. Then they translate the answer back into English. This process is slow, and speaking needs speed. So what happens? You understand, but you cannot answer in time. Now, let's talk about how to fix this problem. Slowly, naturally, step by step. First, you must accept that speaking badly is okay. Say that to yourself. Speaking badly is okay. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is communication. If people understand you, you are successful. Second, start speaking alone. Yes, alone. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. Say simple sentences. I am making tea. I am sitting on a chair. I am listening to English. This may feel strange, but it works. When you speak alone, there is no fear, no pressure, no judgment. Your brain starts connecting understanding to speaking. Third, Use repetition. Repetition is powerful. Listen to the same English again and again. Do not always search for new content. When you listen many times, sentences become familiar. Your brain remembers the rhythm, the structure, the sound. Then try to repeat after the speaker, slowly, one sentence at a time. This is called shadowing. You listen and you repeat. You do not think too much. You copy the sound. Shadowing trains your mouth. It builds speaking confidence. At Speak Slow English, this is very important. Slow speech helps your brain relax. It gives you time to follow and repeat. Fourth, stop memorizing grammar rules for speaking. Grammar is useful, but grammar does not make you speak. You learned your first language without grammar books. You learned by listening and repeating. For speaking, focus on phrases, not rules. For example, instead of thinking about past tense rules, learn phrases like, yesterday I went to work. Last week I watched a movie. Use these phrases again and again. They become automatic. Automatic English is speaking English. Fifth, answer questions slowly. Do not rush. If someone asks you a question, pause. It is okay to pause. Say simple answers, short answers. If someone asks, "How was your day?" you do not need a long story. You can say, "It was good. It was busy. I was tired but happy." Simple English is strong English. Sixth, lower your expectations. Many learners want to speak like a native speaker. That is a long journey. Your goal now is progress, not perfection. Today, one sentence is enough. Tomorrow, 2 sentences. Small steps create big change. Seventh, listen before you speak. A lot. Your brain needs input. Good input creates good output. Listen to clear, slow English. Listen daily. Even 10 minutes helps. Your brain is always learning, even when you are not speaking. Over time, English patterns become natural. Then speaking feels easier. Let me share something important. Understanding but not speaking means you are very close. You are not at the beginning, you are near the next level. Many learners give up at this stage. Please do not give up. This is the moment when patience matters most. Speak badly, speak slowly, speak simply. Your confidence will grow. Your fluency will grow. One day you will notice something beautiful. You will answer without translating. Words will come naturally. That day comes from practice, not pressure. Before we finish, let me remind you, English is a skill. Skills grow with time and use. You already understand. Now gently train your speaking. You are doing better than you think. Thank you for spending this time with me. This is Mitchell, and you are listening to Speak Slow English. If this episode helped you, please like it and subscribe to the channel. It really helps more learners find calm and clear English practice. Keep listening, keep repeating, and most importantly, keep speaking. See you in the next episode.